Welcome! Today, we're going to walk through a simple and effective way to turn off group request notifications on Instagram using the latest update. If you're tired of getting constant alerts every time someone adds you to a group, this quick guide will help you regain control over your notifications. First, open the Instagram app on your device and head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look to the top right corner and tap the three horizontal lines icon, also known as the menu or hamburger icon. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. This section is where Instagram keeps all your account preferences and notification controls, so it's the place to be for customizing your experience. Next, tap on Notifications. This will open a list of different notification categories, allowing you to fine-tune what alerts you want to receive. Scroll down until you find the Messages section and tap on it. Here, you'll see various options related to message notifications, including the one for group requests. Look for Group Requests in this list. Once you find it, tap on it and then select Off. This will stop Instagram from sending you notifications whenever someone invites you to a group chat. And that's it. You've successfully turned off group request notifications on Instagram. This simple adjustment can make your Instagram experience more peaceful and less cluttered with unwanted alerts. Remember, Instagram often updates its interface, so if you don't see these exact options, look for similar wording or check the latest help resources. But as of now, these steps will help you manage your group request notifications quickly and easily. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more streamlined Instagram experience.